Hi, this is Smartwatch Authority, and today we will do another test on the Fentorn V11 smartwatch. We will be testing one of its workout tracking, which is the walk feature. And while doing the workout, we'll also use Google Fit to track our progress and compare the results later on. First things first, setting up the V11 only requires you to go to the training menu. Long press and search for the walking feature. Long press again. And that's it. We're all set. And here are the results. There's only a 27-second difference with the starting time of that. The V11 clocked the whole workout at 18 minutes, whereas on Google Fit, our active time is about 17 minutes and 33 seconds. Total steps counted by the V11 is at 1,870, while on Google Fit, the step count is at 1,917. Again, only a small difference between values. My average pace on Google Fit is 13 minutes per kilometer, and on the V11, my pace is at 12 minutes per kilometer. Distance-wise, the results from the V11 and Google Fit aren't that much far away, with only a 0.06 kilometer gap. I'm quite impressed with the V11. I could say it could produce reliable data since the results showed that the discrepancy between the readings aren't huge values, and given that it's cheap, I think it's fairly worth your money. If you find our information valuable and useful, do subscribe to Smartwatch Authority YouTube channel and help us to like and share this video. At Smartwatch Authority, we review and troubleshoot smartwatches. Let us know in the comments if you need help or troubleshooting with your smartwatch, and let us know which smartwatch you would like us to review next.